In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make that hidden album on your iPhone. As you can see, now I got some photos in that hidden albums, and those photos are not displayed among my entire library. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then tap right here to go to Albums. If you scroll down to the very bottom, you can easily find that hidden album here, because guys, the hidden album generates automatically by your iPhone. So we can't make it, create it or remove it. We can just add or remove photos from that album. To add a photo to hidden album, photo or video, you can just let me find the photo first. You can just long press on it and then select hide. Then tap at hide photo, and as you might have noticed, the photo has been removed from here because it is now located in our hidden album. Here it is. In the same way, we can add multiple photos to our hidden album. To do that, tap at select, then select a photos, tap at three dots right here, and then tap at hide. In the same way, we can move several photos to the hidden album. Here they are. After that, later in the future, if you would like to remove them from hidden album and move them back to your library, you can, in the same way, long press on a single photo and tap at unhide, or tap at select, then select several photos, tap at three dots, and unhide them from here. However, there is one more cool feature here, because we can actually hide or protect that album to prevent someone from getting access to it. To do that, we need to go to Settings. On Settings, scroll down all the way down until you find Photos. And that's where we can first off activate that option, which is called Use Face ID. If that option turned on, Face ID will be required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. So now, if we tap at hidden, first of all, it is showing that log icon now next to hidden and recently deleted albums. And if we tap at any of them, it will ask us to use Face ID to get access to that album. That's how we can protect that album from someone. Also, in here, in Settings, we can just turn that option off. The option called Show Hidden Album. We cannot activate that one, but we can just turn that option off, and what that will do, that will just hide hidden album even from here. That's a really cool feature, and as of me, that is highly increases privacy for your hidden photos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.